So all the Black Friday deals are now on, and I'm going to go through in this video my top Black Friday tech deals, the ones that you really don't want to miss out on from DJI, Insta360, we've got projectors, bikes. Let's get straight into it. So there's so many Black Friday deals on right now, it's really easy to get drawn in and actually think, is that a good deal or not? So what I've done in this video is I've narrowed it down to my top ones that I would personally go out and get myself. It might be the stuff that I'm using every single day, the stuff that's in my camera bag, and I found these deals for you. Let's get straight into it. And I will put at the top of the description all the links to these products, but the first one, surprisingly, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Now normally what DJI would do is they would offer huge discounts on their older products. And the Mini 4 Pro speaks for itself. It is the best small drone that you can get. Nice and lightweight and portable, under 250 grams, which means you don't have to do any drone licenses to fly this. You can fly this in more places around the world. The camera, fantastic photos and video quality that I've got out of this. The camera rotates so you can film in vertical as well. This for a small drone is the best you can get, and there is an offer on, so I'd get this right now if you're looking at getting the Mini 4 Pro. Now one thing I like to do when I'm not working is actually sitting down watching movies, and having a projector, it is absolutely fantastic and a game changer, but it's really hard to actually find a decent one. You'll see all over Amazon there's these like 4K projectors, and I've used them, I've tested them, and they're pretty crap. But this is the Horizon Pro. It's a 4K projector, but the picture quality coming out of this projector is absolutely fantastic. Now they do have newer versions of this which look like a bit sleeker as well, but this one is the one that's got the heaviest discount on it. And personally, they're all pretty similar. You just actually pay the difference for the actual look of that projector itself. But this one, it's not too big or actually heavy, doesn't look bad either. It's got a really good sound system. It's got a built-in Harman Kardon speakers. You can connect this up to your Apple TV, you can connect it to Xbox, PlayStation 5. It's got all USB ports on the back and HDMI ports. It is absolutely fantastic. Really recommend this. Now the Horizon Pro should be $1,499 and it's currently on offer. It's never been this cheap, $879. So if you're looking at actually getting a really good projector, 4K quality, this for the price of it is a fantastic deal. So onto FPV drones, and the latest FPV drone from DJI, which is the DJI Avata 2. So much fun flying this. You can use the goggles for immersive experience. The camera quality is a lot better now. The battery life, it is fantastic. So actually getting into FPV, learning the actual FPV route, this is probably the best one I would recommend, and it's currently on offer. So with this, you're going to get the DJI Avata 2, you're going to get the goggles Integra, the motion controller 2, and 3 extra batteries. So fantastic offer, 11% off, again from DJI, offering a decent discount on their latest products. So if you want to go and check this out, I'm going to link this at the top of the description as well. This is actually direct from the DJI website. Now a piece of equipment I'm using all the time, every single trip, whenever I go out, is the Insta360 X4. So this can now film at 8K quality. So the video quality on here is so much better. I absolutely love this. If there's one actual piece of equipment that I'm always taking with me, it is this. You can also get the invisible stick as well. Now if you buy this camera through my link, you're going to get this invisible stick completely free. You extend this out, and then because the camera is 360, it's filming from the front and the back, you're getting this full 360 view. So you literally just hit record, and then you can actually do all the framing afterwards. You can even do all the editing for you now. It's got so much better. But camera quality, I would say on here, was the biggest upgrade over the X3. This is also currently on offer as well. The latest product from Insta360 is £425, a fantastic deal for this camera. This is one thing I cannot go without. And also, like I say, if you buy this through my link, which is going to be at the top of the description, you're going to get this invisible stick included as well as this offer. Now onto action cameras and the DJI Action 4. So it's just over a year old now, but it's a great action camera if you're actually looking at picking up one of the latest ones. So this is now under £200. It's 30% off. Fantastic magnetic mount system. It's got a really good battery life. The low light on here is good. The video quality on here is great, up to 4K 120. So for an action camera at that price, this is one I would highly recommend. Now something which you need in your drones all the time is memory cards. So I actually use the SanDisk memory cards for the last few years, and they were great until one occasion where all my files got corrupt. And I'm not saying that would happen to you, but for me that was like one time too many. So I moved over to the Lexar micro SD cards for all my drones, and I also used the Lexar SD cards for my cameras, and these I've never had a problem with, and they're also super affordable. So for me, whenever there's a sale on, I'm always going to actually go and grab some more of these micro SD cards for my drones or action cameras. And because there is one right now, I'm going to grab a few more of these. I would say get the 128GB version. It's going to be 17% off. So go and get a few of those, and that would be the one I would recommend. And I also have my own website as well, which is currently up to 70% off for Black Friday. So if you're interested in getting some drone cheat sheets, like guides telling you exactly how to get the very most out of your drone, going through all the different settings in really easy to actually navigate format, then you can go and pick these up. They get emailed out to you. I've also got my own physical copies as well, so you can get this physical book that goes through all these different settings, shows you everything in color-coded high-res images. This would be a great gift for Christmas. And I've also got a holiday combo, so you're going to get the ultimate settings guide cheat sheet, but you're also going to get the drone moves as well. So my top 25 cinematic drone moves that I'm doing all the time shows you exactly what to do for each move, so you can go and actually practice these. So you're going to get this, and you're going to get the ultimate settings guide in this holiday pack sent out to you. I've also got drone video LUTs as well, so how you can actually transform your video quality easily using video LUTs. Everything's on that website, so go and have a look at that. That's also going to be linked at the top of the description. And I'm actually in the process of finishing the review on this product, but it is absolutely fantastic. Ever since seeing Casey Neistat riding his Super 73 around New York, I always wanted to get one, and I finally have now, and I've used a couple of them now, and for electric bikes, they are absolutely fantastic. The build quality, the looks, the speed and power, fantastic. The one I use is the S2 Adventure. Now these aren't cheap bikes, but you are paying for the actual build quality on here. These are like the Porsche of electric bikes, and there is currently over €1,000 if you're in Europe, and also in dollars, off the Super 73 website. So go and actually have a look at this. If you want to actually pick one of these up now, will be a great time, because they aren't cheap bikes, but this is a really good deal, and that video will be coming really soon. The DJI Pocket 3, this has to be one of the most popular products that DJI have ever created in this like camera niche. If you just look on YouTube, most creators have got this, most vloggers have got the DJI Pocket 3. It is a fantastic camera, and it is just so small and tiny. You can rotate the camera around, built-in gimbal, a really good screen on here, and it's a 1-inch sensor, so the video quality is great. This is why it's so popular. Again, the latest product that's currently out, but it is on offer as well. Not a huge deal, but you're going to get 6% off this. So if you want to get the DJI Pocket 3, this would be a good time to get it. Now, I always recommended getting the creator combo, because you're going to get the DJI Mic 2, and this is a fantastic wireless microphone. This overall is an awesome setup, but DJI have just released the DJI Mic Mini, so you can literally get this microphone now, which has pretty much the exact same audio quality. You can actually watch my video at the end of this as the DJI Mic 2. You could get this for like £60. So this is going to be a much cheaper way. Just buy this separately and buy the Pocket 3 than getting that creator combo. So DJI Pocket 3, 6% off. It's going to be linked at the top of the description. And Freewell, these make ND filters, so I use these on all my drones. They literally sit on the drone all the time. So what are ND filters? Well, basically these are sunglasses, but for your drone. So you put these on, and these are going to reduce the amount of light going into that drone, so the video quality is going to look so much better. Without one of these on, what the camera will do, it will actually bump the shutter speed up so high that you're going to get really sharp, over-sharpened footage. It doesn't look great. So for more of that cinematic style, basically every video that I'm using on all my drone shots, it have an ND filter on every single time, unless it's like nighttime, but during the day there's always an ND filter on. And on the Freewell website, there's a discount on literally like every single ND filter on there, so I'll link that at the top there. So if you want an ND filter for your drones, your action cameras, go and have a look on that website, and you're going to get some great deals. Now, for small but really vital pieces of kit, this is always in my camera bag, and I don't have a clue what the make is, but it works really great, nice and fast, and super small and lightweight. So this is a USB-C card reader. So on the back of it here, you can actually put a full-size SD card in the back of it, and on the other side it's USB-C, so you can plug this directly into your iPad and transfer photos and videos, or into the latest like iPhone or Android phone. It's great. And you can also take this out, and you can also put micro SD cards in as well, so I can get that directly out of my drone, plug it into here, and transfer all those files when I'm out and about on the go. So for the size of this and the price of it, absolutely vital for me. I'd highly recommend you go and pick one of these up and just keep them in your camera bag. They're literally like under £10. Now, if you're after a drone but on a budget, or your son or daughter is after one, then this one I would highly recommend. So don't go on Amazon and look for drones and buy like a £200 drone on there, a non-DJI one, because they're going to be awful, and that person you're buying it for, they're going to be happy at first, and then they're going to be so disappointed, honestly. I would recommend this. So this is the DJI Mini 4K. It is absolutely tiny. So it's actually smaller than the DJI Mini 4 Pro, but you're still getting 4K quality up to 4K 30. You don't have to do any drone licenses to fly this. You can fly it in loads of places around the world. And there's a huge offer on the DJI website as well. So you're getting this for just £319. But not just the drone, you're going to get the controller where you can connect this up to your phone. You're also going to get some extra batteries as well. So you get 2 extra batteries, this actual charging case, and this bag as well. If someone was coming to me and saying, what is like the best drone I can get for around about the £300 mark, $300, this would certainly be the one. So DJI Power 1000, I've been using power stations now for the last few years. I think they're fantastic, especially on family trips. You're going away in the car, you're going on camping trips for camper vans, but also for me, just having a power station like this so I can easily charge all my equipment. So I can plug my laptop into here, all my drones. It's got ports all over the place. Fast charge USB-C, USB-A, outlets on the front, and because it's DJI, it's got a special port as well which will actually charge your drones faster than they would plugging it directly into the AC ports. It's not too bulky and heavy. It's got 1000 watts power, and the price point at $479. I would jump on this. This is going to sell out 100%. But if you wanted a decent high wattage power station, this would be the one to get. So this is equipment that I'm actually personally using as well every single day, stuff that I'm putting in my camera bag. So this isn't just like random stuff that you could find on Black Friday deals. This is like really good current stuff as well. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe if you're new around here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good weekend.